Tracking conversions with the server-to-server postback URL. A server-to-server postback URL enables delivering the offer conversion back to the associated volume campaign. If you want to use this option for conversion tracking, you need to start with setting up your offer URL. For a postback request to be resolved correctly, a valid volume click ID must first be sent in the offer's URL query string to be captured by the offer's source. To send a volume click ID, you need to append the click ID token to a subid parameter supported by the affiliate network or advertiser. For example, if your network uses has offers, you will use the AF_sub2. For cake, use the S2 for the IDs. If your network uses another custom platform, ask your affiliate manager for the correct token parameter. The rule is simple. Always use affiliate network parameter equals click ID token. Once you have your offer URL ready, then the click ID data needs to be relayed back to record the conversion in Volume. That's why the second step is to configure your postback URL. It can be found in the Tracking URLs tab within the Volume panel General Settings. Or alternatively, you can access it directly from an Offers configuration menu. Within the postback URL's query string, there are 4 distinct parameters: the CID, payout, TXID, and ET parameter. The CID parameter is dedicated to passing back Volume's click ID, and it is required to record a conversion. Token used for the CID in a postback URL normally has to correspond to the parameter used in the offer URL. For cake, use the S2 in hashes. For the AF_sub2 from has offers, the corresponding token will be AF_sub2 in curly brackets. Remember to always check the affiliate network documentation to use proper parameters and tokens for the tracking. The same applies to the rest of parameters. So, if you want to dynamically pass the payout to Volume, you need to map it according to your affiliate network documentation. For example, in the cake platforms, you should use the price token in hashes. The TXID parameter is used to pass a unique transaction ID for each conversion and may be needed if you want to track upsales. You can use a token if your network supports it, or you can specify the transaction ID by typing static value. If you would like to learn how to use the ET parameter, check out our video about custom conversion tracking. Thank you for watching.